Hello everybody, Wilton Han over here. Moz just did a poll of all the agency owners out there and some of the top experts on local ranking signals. And typically they do this once a year and they kind of want to digest the latest results with you as to how to get ranked in local search. And that local search at 3 pack area, it is free. So here's the major signals, and to everybody's surprise, this year is that the proximity of where that person who is searching from is actually number 3 now. Used to be a huge major signal as to how far that person is from that physical location. So, of course, the closer they are, the more likely you're going to show up. But what takes over that signal is reviews, right? Not a surprise to any of us. Reviews, the more you have, right? The number of reviews, the sentiment, owner responses, even owner responses are a big deal these days. Whenever you get a negative comment, you gotta be responding to it. Even positive reviews, you might want to consider responding to some of those now, right? So it's overall quantity and quality, and also your interaction with these reviews. But the most important is still going to be your Google My Business, right? That's your Google listing. Make sure it's complete, right? Whether keywords in name, category, whether it's complete or not. So not as right. This signal hasn't really changed. It's your Google listing. Its reviews are more and more heavily weighted these days. Then the third will be how far they are from you. Number 4 is, of course, you want to make sure your physical address is in that city of search. You will not rarely be ranked in a different city nearby. Typically, Google gives preference to those businesses that are physical in that city. And then number 5 signal here is the consistency of citations. That is how consistent your name, address, and phone number are across different directories. Right? On Google, Facebook, Yelp, Bing listing, all these, you want to make sure they're consistent. Then your on-page SEO elements, that goes back to your website. Right? Do you have enough content about that topic? Do you have fresh new content? Right? Is your website set up for SEO? That goes back to what typically SEO specialist does. It's also a big factor into local rankings now. And local listing engagement, once you're ranked in the 3-pack, whether people click through, whether people are calling you, are they booking things? And next one is organic user behavior. Same thing. Your actual rankings, not the 3-pack ranking, but your ranking is once people get on your site, are they bouncing off? Are they staying on the site a little longer? So again, right, tying back to this element here is the better the website, the more people stay on the site, the more Google looks at this as, hey, this is definitely worthwhile sending traffic to because high user experience. Lastly, here is quantity of inbound links, which is how many links you have, the quality and the quantity of links pointing to your website. So this is the latest ranking. It just, right, nothing new in here as far as ranking goes compared to 2018, 2019. It's just the order of importance, it's got shuffled. The most important still does not change, is how complete is your Google My Business listing. It just reviews jumped, right, a lot. More and more signals are being tied to reviews, which is quality and quantity and whether you respond to them or not. Okay, so hopefully this is helpful. And this report is very, very long. I'm going to digest this. It's only one of the pages. I'm going to digest this a little bit more and go over other signals with you guys, in addition to our own, what we've been seeing over here at Ring Ring as well.